Put these in.
Fill up your head.
8.
Not as aggressive as, well.
Yeah, they took some already anyway. Look at the glitter.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
Some.
Look at it. Look at it.
Normally if I put 6 in there, they'll be gone. I mean,
Well, there's still some in there.
2 each.
Look, hold on, I'm trying to watch it. The closer I can get, the better.
You got all these down here, Darren, over here in the corner. There you go. Scare them over there, Philip.
They'll eat them eventually.
Okay, one's brave enough to go a little bit over there, but...
Philip, you gotta stand back, because I think we're scaring them. Because Darren's got sensitive fish.
Yeah, they're sensitive.
They're watching.
Uh-oh, they went on the prowl. On the attack.
One of them has just one swimming right in front of him.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, I'm gonna back up a
I
little
think they're
bit.
trying to digest the other ones they already scalloped down.
Oh, hey, I have seen these fish with half a fish sticking out of their mouth for an hour or so.
He knows his days are numbered, the poor guy.
The poor dude's dead, no matter what. No matter how high he goes, he's still gonna get eaten.
As long as he's in the tank, his only chance of survival is to jump out and commit suicide. He's still not going to survive. This is just going to die a different
Darren, a.k.a. Minnow Killer. You're
You know what?
Pimp my minnow.
pimping the minnows.
Pimp my minnow.
They're just hanging out there, Darren.
I think they're just going through too much commotion today.
Yeah, we scared them.
That's all. Lay down.
Minnow, go straight towards his mouth.
Well, there's a couple of them in there. There's a couple on the bottom. There's one at the top. And
Kinda
There's
scared.
like 4 minnows left.
back up, Philip.